we discuss the properties of matrix multiplication. First property, matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. It means AB not equals to BA. Second property, it is associative. It means ABC equals to ABC whenever both sides are defined. Whenever both sides are defined. And third property, distributive property. Distributive property. According to this, A, B plus C equals to AB plus AC, or A plus B C equals to AC plus BC. Here also both sides of equality are defined. Both sides of equality are defined. It means order of LHS equals to order of RH. Some special cases, IA equals to A equals to AI. I is a unit matrix and A is a matrix. And so IA equals to A, or AI also equals to A. Next one, A into O. O is a zero matrix, so it is equals to 0. Means here suppose order of A is M cross N and order of O is N cross P. So this zero matrix having the order M cross P. Next one, if A is a square matrix, then in this case A is a n plus 1 equals to A power n into A. Next one, A power m plus n equals to A power m into A power n. And last one, A power 1, it is also equals to A. Here these three property for only for square matrix, or it is used in induction method for solving the matrix problems. Transpose of a matrix. Let A is a matrix Aij M cross N. Then the transpose of A is denoted by A dash or AT equals to Aij n cross M. it means A transpose Ij equals to Aj, where I equals to 1, 2 up to M and J equals to 1, 2 up to N. In short, suppose A is a matrix 1, 2, 3. So transpose of A, it means A dash, yeah, AT equals to 1, 2, 3. Means by changing its row into column and column into rows, obtain the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of properties of transpose matrix. First property, transpose of A whole transpose it is equals to A. Second one, A plus B transpose it is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Next one, Ka whole transpose. K is a constant, so K times of A transpose, where K is a constant. Then next, AB whole transpose, it is equals to B transpose and A transpose. Then next one, ABC transpose equals to C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. Here A into B whole transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. Already known that AB not equals to BA in matrix multiplication, but here it is interchange AB transpose and B transpose into A transpose is a true. For same, if three matrix taking three matrix A, B, C and whole transpose is C transpose into B transpose into A transpose, means in simple AB and BA कॉम्यूटेटिव नहीं है, बट यहाँ पर ट्रांसपोज में ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज करते हैं और ये ट्रू है. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A M cross M is said to be skew symmetric if A ij equals to minus times of Aj for all I equals to I and j, and A transpose equals to minus times of A, or A equals to minus times of A dash, dash or transpose both. If I equals to j, then Aii equals to minus times of Aii. It means Aii plus Aii equals to 0. So 2Aii equals to 0. So Aii equals to 0. Aii means A11, A22, A33. They are the main diagonal elements. These are 0 in skew symmetric matrix. It means here, take an example. Suppose A is a matrix. In this case, Aij equals to minus times of Ji, Aji. It means A12 equals to minus times of A21. A13 equals to minus times of A31, and A23 equals to minus times of A3 2. Reverse is also true. Suppose here and A11, A22 and A33 means main diagonal elements are 0 in skew symmetric matrix. Means here first 0, suppose this one 1, this one 2. So in this case this one is a 1 2 and here and here both are here, this one 1 2, this one 2 1. It means this one is minus 1. Next diagonal element 0. Here suppose 5. So here it is a 1 3. This one 1 1. This one 2 1, 2 2 and 2 3. And here 3 1. It means 1 3 and 3 1 both are equal but in opposite sign. Means suppose here this one 2 and 2 3 and 3 2 means minus 5, and this one is a main diagonal, it is 0. So in skew symmetric matrix main diagonal elements are 0 and A12 and A21 are equal but in opposite sign. A13 and 31 also equal but in opposite sign. A23 and A32 also equal but is opposite sign. So it is a skew symmetric matrix. And second case is A ट्रांसपोज इक्वल्स टू माइनस टाइम्स ऑफ ए. इट मीन्स अगर सपोज हम इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज भी करते हैं तो उस केस में माइनस टाइम्स ऑफ ए के इक्वल मिलता है इन स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक में डायगोनल एलिमेंट इज ऑलवेज 0. Symmetric matrix. If A is a square matrix of order m cross m, so in this case A is a symmetric matrix if Aij equals to Aji for all I comma j. And in this case A equals to A transpose means A की वैल्यू तो उसके ट्रांसपोज की वैल्यू दोनों इक्वल ही होते हैं. A इज अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. So in this case suppose take an example. Suppose A equals to 1 2 3. In this case Aij equals to Aji means A12 equals to A21, A32 equals to A23, and means in suppose here this one is 1 1 1 2 1 3 and A31 equals to A13, and here this A21 2 1 it is also equals to 2 2 1. It means here Aij equals to Aji means 1 2 and 2 1 both are equal, 3 2 and 2 3 both are equal, and 3 1 and 1 3 equal. So here suppose 5 2 2, then here 2 1 2 2 and 2 3, this one 2 3. So here 3 1 it means 3 1 equals to 1 3 means this and this are equal, so 3 times of 3 1. And next one here 2 3 and 3 2 means 6 3 2, and last one 3 3 it is equals to 7. In this case diagonal elements in different, and 1 2 and 2 1 both are equal, 1 3 and 3 1 are equal, 2 3 and 3 2 are equal, and A is a always square matrix, means here 3 cross 3 matrix, so it is a symmetric matrix. We take on one example based on symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Suppose for the matrix A 2 5 4 6 is a square matrix, so we verify that A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. If A is a square matrix, so A is said to be symmetric if A equals to A dash. Here we want to prove A plus A dash is symmetric. It means suppose this one equals to C. So A plus A dash equals to C. So if C is a symmetric, means C equals to C dash equals. So in this case A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Suppose here given A plus A dash, here A 2 5 4 6, and dash means transpose of this. Transpose means changing the row and columns. So here A is given 2 5 4 6 and A dash equals to 2 4, फर्स्ट रो को कॉलम में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, देन सेकेंड रो 5 6. It is a A transpose, means here 2 5 4 6. So taking sum, 2 plus 2 4 plus 5 5 plus 4 6 plus 6, it is becomes 4 9 9 and 12. So it is this one equals to C. So C dash equals to, again convert in ट्रांसपोज मीन्स रो को कॉलम में अगर कन्वर्ट करते हैं या कॉलम को रो में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो बोथ द केसेस में C and C dash are equal. मीन्स सपोज हियर फर्स्ट टेकिंग फर्स्ट रो, सो 4 9, सेकेंड रो 9 and 12. In both the cases C equals to C dash. C means A plus A dash equals to A plus A dash का whole dash. So it is A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Second case, A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. It means suppose A is a square matrix, is said to be skew symmetric if A equals to minus times of A dash is main condition for skew symmetric matrix. Here given A equals to 2 5 4 6 and A dash equals to, अगेन रो कॉलम में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो 2 4 5 6, देन A प्लस A माइनस A डैश. सपोज दिस वन इक्वल्स टू D, so A minus A dash means A 2 4 5 6 minus 2 5 4 6. So this one equals to 2 minus 2, 4 minus 5, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 6. So this one 0 1 -1 and 0. This one is a D. So in skew symmetric, D equals to minus times of D dash. So D dash means D transpose equals to, suppose रो को कॉलम में कन्वर्ट करें अपन तो 0 -1. So second row 1 0. So taking minus sign 0 1 -1 0. It means it is a minus D, means D dash equals to minus D. Also know that in skew symmetric diagonal elements is always 0, and this one is a 1 2 place, this one is a 2 1 place. In both the cases में aij equals to minus times of aji, means a12 equals to minus times of a21. So in this case d dash equals to minus d. So a minus a dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Take another example. Express the matrix A as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. It means इस स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को हमें 2 पार्ट में सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक में एक्सप्रेस करना है. सपोज हियर ए इक्वल्स टू सिमेट्रिक प्लस स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. So in this case express A means A equals to also written as A plus A dash means transpose plus A minus A dash. In this case here A plus A means 2A, A transpose and minus A transpose is cancelled, but here 2A, but हमें क्या चाहिए था A, बट यहाँ क्या बोला 2A. सो हमने क्या किया, इसको हाफ, यहाँ पर भी हाफ कर दिया. मीन्स दिस वन इज अ सिमेट्रिक एंड सेकेंड वन इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. अभी हमने जस्ट इसके पहले वाले एग्जांपल दिया था कि A प्लस A डैश इज अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड A माइनस A डैश इज अ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. हियर गिवन अ मैट्रिक्स 3 1 -4 and -1. So A dash means A transpose. रो को कॉलम में चेंज कर लो या कॉलम को रो में, एनी वन वर्क. मीन सपोज हमने क्या किया, रो को कॉलम में चेंज कर रहे हैं. 3 -4 1 -1. ओके, देन फर्स्ट पार्ट A plus A dash equals to 3 1 -4 -1 plus 3 -4 1 -1. So this one equals to 3 plus 3 -4 plus 1 1 -4 and -1 minus already 1. Okay, so this one equals to 6 -3 -3 and here -2. So A plus A dash. So last one half times of A plus A dash equals to 6 -3 -3 -2. This one here, this half times of this matrix is a symmetric matrix because A 2 1 and here 1 2 both are same, so it is symmetric matrix. So suppose this one equals to हमने P किया और इसको क्या लिख दिया हमने, सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स मिल गया इसका, ये ऐसा बनेगा. सेकेंड पार्ट फॉर स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. Skew symmetric. So here A minus A dash, it means A means 3 1 -4 -1. and minus a dash, it means 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. So this one equals to 3 minus 3, 1 minus plus 4, this one is a 4, and minus 4 and minus 1, and here minus 1 plus 1. So this one equals to 0, minus 5, 5, and this one is a 0. So a minus a dash, suppose this one equals to q, so half times of this one is equals to q means again change half times of a minus a dash, so it is equals to half times of 0, 5 minus 5, 0. So it is equals to q means half times of 0, 5 minus 5 and 0, it is q. Here this one is a skew symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, because here main diagonal element are 0 and aij equals to minus times of aji, means 1 2 and 2 1 both are equal but in opposite sign, here minus 5, here 5. So in last a equals to p plus q, it means p means half times of p, here 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 plus q means half times of 0, 5 minus 5, 0. So this, if solve this expression, then we get वैल्यू ऑफ ए मीन्स ए मैट्रिक्स. सपोज अगर हम इस पार्ट को दोनों पार्ट को सॉल्व करते हैं, नॉर्मली प्लस करते हैं, तो ए मैट्रिक्स मिलता है जो हमारे क्वेश्चन में था. और ये दोनों पार्ट, ये वाला पार्ट सिमेट्रिक का है और ये वाला पार्ट स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक का है. इट मीन्स क्या हो रहा है, ये एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को दो पार्ट में हमने डिवाइड इस तरीके से करना है. A equals to P plus Q means this one is a symmetric, this one is a skew symmetric. So half times of 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 plus half times of Q. So Q equals to 0, 5 minus 5, 0. So solve this and this, we get 3, 1. So solve this, so get 3, 1 minus 4 minus 1. So it is a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix.